Hello. I'd like to get this jacket dry cleaned.
Sure. May I see it?
Yes. Here it is.
All right. Do you need it urgently?
Yes, if possible, I'd like it by tomorrow.
No problem. It will be ready by 5 p.m. tomorrow.
Great. How much will it cost?
It will be $10.
Okay. Here's my jacket.
Thank you. Please keep this receipt.
Thanks. See you tomorrow.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hi. Do you have something for a cold?
Yes. Do you have a prescription?
No. I just need over-the-counter medicine.
All right. I recommend these syrup bottles for cough and these tablets for fever.
How should I take them?
Take the syrup 3 times a day and 1 tablet if you have a fever.
Okay. Any precautions?
Drink plenty of water and get enough rest.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $8 in total.
Here you go.
Thanks. Feel better soon.
Hello. I'd like to borrow a book, please.
Sure. Do you have your library card with you?
Yes. Here it is.
Great. What book are you looking for?
I need To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee.
Let me check. Yes, we have a copy available.
Perfect. Can I borrow it now?
Of course. You can keep it for 2 weeks. Please return it by the due date.
Okay. What happens if I'm late?
There's a small fine for overdue books, so try to return it on time.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading. Hi, I'd like to get my car washed today.
Sure. Welcome. Do you want just the outside wash or the full cleaning with interior?
What does the full cleaning include?
It covers the outside wash, vacuuming inside, cleaning the windows, and a bit of polish on the dashboard.
That sounds good. How much is it?
The full service is $15. The basic outside wash is $10.
Okay, let's go with the full service.
Great choice. It will take about 20 minutes.
All right, I'll wait here. Do you take cash or card?
Both are fine.
Perfect. Here's my card.
Thank you. Please park your car in lane 3. We'll start right away.
All right, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. We'll let you know as soon as it's ready.
Hi, I'm looking for a comfortable pair of shoes.
Sure. Do you want them for casual wear or something formal?
Casual, please. Something I can wear every day.
Got it. How about this pair? They're lightweight and very comfortable.
They look nice. Do you have them in size 6?
Yes. One moment. Here you go.
Thanks. Can I try them on?
Of course. Please have a seat.
Wow, they feel really soft inside.
Yes, they have extra cushioning for comfort.
I like them. Do you have another color?
Yes, they also come in black and white.
I'll take the black ones, please.
Great choice. I'll pack them for you.
Thank you. These are perfect.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new shoes.
Hello, please come in.
Hi, ma'am. I'm here to check the AC. What's the issue?
It's not cooling, only the fan is running.
Okay, let me check. The filter is very dusty, and the gas pressure is low.
Oh, so that's the problem.
Yes, I'll clean the filter and refill the gas. It'll be fine.
How long will it take?
Just 40 minutes.
All right, please do it.
Done. Now turn it on.
Wow, it's cooling so well now. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Clean the filter monthly and call me if needed.
Hey, what brings you in today?
I'm having chest pain.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did it start?
About 20 minutes ago.
Is the pain sharp or heavy?
It feels heavy, like pressure.
Do you have shortness of breath?
Yes, and I'm also sweating.
All right, do you have any history of heart problems?
No, not that I know of.
Okay, please stay calm. I'll check your vitals and call the doctor right away.
Will I be okay?
You're in safe hands. We'll take care of you.
Hi, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Sure. What kind of pizza would you like?
Do you have margarita pizza?
Yes, we do. Would you like a regular or large size?
I'll take a regular one.
Great! Would you like any extra toppings?
Yes, please add mushrooms.
Perfect. Anything to drink with that?
Just a glass of water, thanks.
Got it. One regular margarita with mushrooms and a glass of water.
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Hello, can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a new shirt.
Sure, do you want something plain or with a pattern?
Plain would be better.
Okay, what size do you wear?
I usually wear medium.
Here are a few medium shirts. This one is very popular.
Oh, I like this black one. How much is it?
It's $28.
All right. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is just over there.
It feels good. I'll take it.
Great choice. Anything else today?
No, just this shirt.
Okay, I'll ring it up for you.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
This recipe looks so scary. Are you sure we can do it?
Relax, it's just food, not rocket science. Come on, pass me the onions.
Okay, but don't ask me to chop them. I'll cry like a baby.
Fine, I'll chop, you stir the pan, deal?
Deal. Wait, it's sizzling too much. Did we put too much oil?
Maybe. Oh no, it's smoking. Quick, lower the flame.
I'm trying. Why does it look like a disaster already?
Calm down. We've got this. Cooking is messy, but fun.
Fun? My hands are burning from the chili powder.
Oh, you're so dramatic. Here, wash your hands.
Fine. But if this fails, I'm blaming you.
Hey, you wanted to try this recipe, remember?
True. But look, it's actually starting to smell good.
See, I told you we make a good team.
Yeah, and if it tastes bad, we'll just laugh and order pizza.
Okay, but I think we're going to love it. Welcome. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, I'd like a large cappuccino, please.
Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great. Any flavor syrups with that?
Yes, vanilla, please.
Perfect. Anything else for you?
Do you have muffins?
Yes, we have blueberry, chocolate chip, and banana nut.
I'll take a blueberry muffin.
Okay, one large hot vanilla cappuccino and one blueberry muffin. Does that look right?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. Your total comes to $6.75. Please pick up your order at the counter.
Good morning. I'd like to apply for a driver's license.
Good morning. Do you have your ID and proof of address with you?
Yes, I have my passport and a bank statement.
Perfect. Have you taken the written test before?
No, not yet. This is my first time.
All right, first, you'll need to apply for a learner's permit. Once you pass the written test, you can practice driving.
Okay. How long is the permit valid?
It's valid for 12 months. After 6 months, you can book your road test.
I see. And what's the fee?
The fee is $35. You can pay by card or cash.
All right. I'll pay by card. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Please fill out this form and we'll get you started.